In this video, I'll show you how to use issue templates on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository where you want to create or use issue templates. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. In the menu on the left, select General, then scroll down to the Features section and make sure Issues is enabled if it isn't already. Now, go back to the repository and open the Issues tab. If you're creating templates, click Setup Templates or navigate to the Issue Template settings if they're available. You can choose a predefined template or create a custom one by adding the information you want contributors to provide, such as a bug description, reproduction steps, or feature request details. After that, save and commit the template to your repository. From now on, whenever someone clicks New Issue, GitHub will display the available issue templates, allowing them to choose the one that best matches their request and provide consistent information. Finally, review the submitted issues to make sure contributors are using the templates correctly. Well-designed issue templates make it easier to organize reports, gather important details, and respond to issues more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use issue templates on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.